What's up, my stylish people? This is Ishank. Welcome back to this channel. You must have seen the thumbnail. This video is all about the Flipkart's jackets as well as shoes haul. And do I need to say this is the right time to buy on Flipkart, because Flipkart big Diwali sale is going on at this point of time from 28th of October till 3rd of November, and you can get huge discounts such as 50 to 80% on top brands, which are of course authentic and hand-picked by experts. And also during the sale time, you can get a minimum of 60% off on jackets and also a minimum of 50% off on sports shoes. Having said that, I got all of these items during the sale time, and the prices may vary depending on when you're shopping and when you're watching this video. However, I got some crazy discounts because you are not limited to brands when it comes to Flipkart, because they have more than 2 lakh plus brands. Let's talk about the jacket number 1 which I got from this Flipkart big Diwali sale. It is a brown color denim jacket from LP Jeans that is priced at 4,000 rupees. I got this in a size of medium. In general, the retail price point for this jacket is expensive, but as a shop during the sale time, I got this for a crazy price point of 1500 rupees. 1500 rupees for a reputed brand such as LP Jeans, and the quality of this jacket is really great. Denim, if you guys don't know, it's generally a twill version of the cotton, and here the material is like thick enough you can use from light to moderate winters. What exactly I love in this jacket is the color. Even though it's mentioned as a brown color, it has some slight shade of olive to it, so it's actually an olive brown color denim jacket. It's a slim fit jacket and it fits really well, both in terms of the length and in terms of the overall fit. In case if you are the one who are looking for a neutral color denim jacket, and that too on budget and without compromising on the quality, this can be the one. Not only you are limited to this color option, LP Jeans do have other color options as well. Feel free to check them out using the links in the description below. Moving on to the jacket number 2. It is a black color full sleeve casual jacket from Adidas Originals. Actually, it's a wind cheater or a windbreaker when it comes to the jacket type, and it is priced at 9,000 rupees. It's super expensive. Generally, I can't afford anything that is close to 9,000 rupees when it comes to jackets, and that too when the jacket is as casual as this one. But during the sale time, I got a crazy 60% off on this one. The prices may vary depending on when you shop, but I got this one. So at a price point of close to 3,500 to 4,000, and having this in black color and with the Adidas logo being so subtle, and half of them are printed and half of them are embroidered, by the way, and that's a subtle touch and attention to detail as well. And inside, if you can see, it have a nice mesh to it, which generally a windbreaker jacket should have. But a general concern for me when it comes to windbreakers would be the inside material. This one, it's not generally smooth to the skin, but from the Adidas Original, this jacket, it's really smooth, and this is one of the comfortable jacket to wear, and that too being in the black color. You can literally mix and match with any of the pieces in your wardrobe. But not to forget, there is a casual option in case if you are going for a run, or in case if you are going to the gym, or any semi-casual purpose. If you're going outside, you can still wear this option. And the best part I like with this option would be the adjustable drawstrings you have at the neck area. Because you have a hood, you can customize how tight the hood fits. For that, you have both of them, and also at the hem area, at the next to the zip, you can customize overall fit as well using the drawstring on one side of this jacket. That's what I liked. This Adidas trefoil logo in this red, pink, peach in different colors. It's really cool on the black color as the base. These kind of windbreaker jackets, if you have the budget to go and if you have the practical utility purpose, I mean need, you can go for these options. I placed the order for this jacket just 2 days back, and it has been delivered within 48 hours, and that to a COD order. You have the options to go for, because you have the flexibility to choose different modes of payment, and also Flipkart have great no questions asked return as well as exchanges. The best aspect on Flipkart I love, it would be the refund processing time. The moment generally your return pickup has been picked up by the courier person, you will get a refund. Means at least your refund will be initiated. If your bank is quick enough, you will get a refund immediately. In case if you're tight on budget, that's gonna be helpful. Moving on to the jacket number 3. It is a beige color full sleeve lightweight track top from Adidas Originals. This jacket, I got it in a size of medium, and after discount I got this at a price point of close to 2,500 rupees. I think I applied the card discount on top of this one, because not only the discounted price point, you can use SBI card if you have one, and get extra 10% off on any of the products during the Flipkart Big Diwali sale. This design I really like because it's a 70s inspired design from Adidas Originals, and that too in this beige color. Again, it's a neutral color. I got the previous one in the black color, this one in the beige color. Both are the neutral colors, and on top of that, the stripes are in the white color. In case if you match this with the white sneakers, or in case if you're wearing a white t-shirt just like this, you can easily color coordinate because both are the neutral colors. And the other aspect which I liked in this jacket, it would be the weight of this jacket. It's a super lightweight jacket. Generally for the track tops, being the material as nylon, you can expect that, but with the material of this mesh inside, generally they tend to become a little bit heavy in few of the brands. But here the disqualifier is not at all there. There is a minor difference when it comes to the collar compared to the previous jacket. The previous jacket, it have a hood, right? This one, the collar is a normal stand-up collar. But there is an important aspect you need to consider with this jacket, which I love. As I mentioned earlier, it's a 70s inspired design, so you're gonna see the change in terms of the fit. I went with the size medium, and I can easily say that it's a loose fit or a boxy fit jacket. If you're someone who are looking for slim fit options, make sure that you size down when it comes to the sizing for this jacket. Moving on to the jacket number 4. It's a color blocked full sleeve denim jacket from a brand called Synosy. My apologies if I pronounce that wrong. And this one I got it at a price point of, I think, 950 rupees after discount. Denim jacket, if you are covered with the neutral options, these are the statement options to go. I do not have any color block denim jacket, and do I need to say, color blocking is trending since quite some time and it's going super strong, and it has been into the denim jackets as well. Generally, if you want to find a color block denim jacket, you need to spend anything close to 6,000, 7,000, because most of the designer brands have that. But this particular brand on Flipkart, I found this, and the quality is really great. Of course, it's a cotton, right, when it comes to denim jacket. The thickness of the cotton is not as thick as the jacket number 1, but it is fine. Yes, it's a color block jacket, and the major composition when it comes to color is olive green color, and when it comes to sleeves as well as the collar, it is in the burgundy color, and these both colors are differentiated with the subtleness of the yellow color. Not a brighter shade of yellow, it's a lighter shade of yellow. And really the color combination looks great, but these are the jackets you should get in case if you are already covered with the neutral options. When it comes to the overall fit, it's a slim fit jacket, and it also ends well. That's an important aspect you need to consider while picking any denim jackets, because in case if the length is short also it is fine, but the length should not be more. And for a price point of less than 1,000 rupees, I think it's a great bargain. And that takes me to the last piece from this haul. It's a classic sneaker. It's a last piece in this haul, but not the least one. In fact, it's the classic one you should be having in your shoe closet. It's a Adidas Originals white color Stan Smith Vulk sneakers. This is the latest version of the Adidas Stan Smiths. Normally, Adidas Stan Smith, they are priced at 7,500. Yes, you can find that at discounted price points. That is the retail price point. These are priced at 6,500. However, during the sale time, generally on Flipkart, shoe category would be discounted from 50 to 80% off. I got this at a price point of close to 2,500 rupees for an Adidas Original classic white sneaker. I think it's a super fair price point considering the quality you are gonna get at that price point. I suggest a few of you guys on Instagram already. And also an important point to consider when it comes to sizing. Don't size down for this shoe. Go true to size. I went true to size and it fits well. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All the products I mentioned in this video, the links are there in the description below for you guys to shop. And in case if you're shopping during the Flipkart Big Diwali sale time from 28th of October till 3rd of November, you're gonna get crazy discounts. That's it from me. See you next time.